Trading app is something a lot of traders overlook. You might have spent a lot of time learning about candlesticks, indicators, and all other trading essentials, but almost no time checking how reliable that trading app you're about to use actually is. Most traders think that if the trading app looks good, then it's good, but that's not the full picture. A good trading app is not just about how good it looks, it's about how it handles pressure. When the market moves fast, does it freeze or disconnect? When you want to fund in Malaysian ringgit, can you do that easily, or do you have to convert through different wallets? Does their spread ridiculously widen when there is major news and events? And for international brokers, are they regulated by top-tier regulators like the ASIC, SISEC, and the FCA? These small details and more tell you everything you need to know about the broker behind the app. Because the right app is about regulation, payment flexibility, real-world stability, app security, platform tools, trading fees, and user-friendly experience. And that's why I'm making this video. In this video, I'll be reviewing the 5 best Forex trading apps that actually stand out for Malaysian traders. And this is not just a surface review. I'll be giving you a walkthrough of each of the trading apps. These apps are provided by international brokers who are regulated by top-tier regulators, but they still offer their services to Malaysian traders. 2 of the trading apps we'll be reviewing have more than one chart, including an inbuilt MetaTrader 5 chart. Also, some of these apps are integrated with AI. Now, to know what app has what feature, you need to stick with me. Let's get into it, beginning with FxPro. Now, one thing that stands out about FxPro is that they are one of the few international brokers that not only provide local payment options for Malaysian traders, but they also have account types in Malaysian ringgit. Now, this takes away the cost of currency conversions for your deposits and your withdrawals, and also delayed processing time for your transactions. On the safety side, FxPro is regulated in 4 regions, including in the UK by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. And as a part of their regulatory obligation, FxPro segregates your funds from their own funds, which gives you some sort of fund security. Trading with FxPro, you will need to open at least one of their account types, which includes the standard account with spreads from 1.2 pips, then the Raw Plus account with spreads from 0 pips for 90% of the trading day, and a maximum commission of $3.5 per lot per side for Forex and gold only. And then the Elite account, which is the only account with rebates from $1.5 per lot up to 21% of your commissions, and it has raw spreads and commission of $3.5 per lot per side for Forex and gold. Swap charges apply to all the account types. With their 0% stop out, you can trade until your equity goes down to 0. You have to be careful not to trade to that extent, and that's why you need to learn proper risk management. Trade with stop loss and take profit. And the same carefulness needs to be applied when you're trading with leverage, because they offer unlimited leverage. For Malaysian traders, FxPro supports local payment methods, credit and debit cards, FBS, and Malaysian online banking. If you'll be using credit and debit cards, the minimum deposit is 50 Malaysian ringgit, while others is 200 Malaysian ringgit. Now, let me walk you through their chart features. Their chart is trading view integrated with market sentiment for major pairs, trading signal, and then market information and trading hours. And then the chart has 9 different time frames, over 10 chart types, and a long list of indicators with over 10 drawing tools. And also, you can see that the spread is available on a chart, so you do not have to do that calculation at all. You can also activate quick trading to trade directly from the instrument list, as well as one-tap trading, so you can enter a position with the tap of the buy and sell icons without any further confirmation, after which you can modify your trade. And if you would rather want your trade size to display in units instead of lots, you can activate the trade size in units feature. Then, to close your open position in one click without any confirmation, activate the quick closing feature as well. FxPro app is a secure app, as you can turn on 2-step verification, passcode, and touch ID login. One thing traders mostly ignore is to read the legal documents of the broker. It will actually do you good to go through this document so you will know the policy with which these brokers operate, especially in your region. These documents are on the FxPro app, so you can download them from there. And then to help you familiarize with the app, you can go through their in-app tour. Apart from the fact that FxPro has educational resources specifically for beginners and then for professionals, they can also be contacted through the app 24 hours from Monday to Friday. If you wish, you can check out their FAQ section. Their available instruments are Forex, stocks, metals, futures, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and spot indices. Then you can also view the economic calendar from the app without having to switch to a different news app. And you can customize it according to the country's news you want to see and according to news priority. Of course, the country or countries you choose have to be associated with the assets you are trading. Now let's take a look at a broker whose app has AI-powered trading signal, daily trade ideas, market insights, and weekly emails with market updates, which is FBS. Now, is FBS safe? Well, FBS is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, (CySEC), which is a top-tier regulator, and they are also regulated by FSC in Belize. And all their client funds are held in a segregated bank account, and they also offer the negative balance protection, so your balance can never go below zero into a negative balance. They provide only the standard account with spreads from 0.7 pips, no commission, swap-free trading, leverage of up to 1:3,000 for Forex, and then when your margin level drops to 40%, a margin call will be issued, so you may need to add more funds to continue the trade, and if it decreases to 20%, a stop out will occur to make sure that your account does not get into a negative balance. If you knew FBS with a Cent and a Pro account, well, they have merged those accounts together into the standard account. That's why they only offer the standard account right now. Their payment methods are broad enough for Malaysian traders, and the minimum deposit ranges from 30 to 100 Malaysian ringgit depending on the payment method. And since they do not offer account types in Malaysian ringgit, you will have to deal with the US dollar and the euro conversions. As for their charts, it is provided by TradingView. You can see the changes in price in different time frames when compared to that of the previous sessions. Then right on the chart is the lot size as well as sell and buy margin. And the chart shows spreads as the market moves, but you will have to calculate the pip value. They have 5 chart types, a long list of indicators, 9 time frames, and a variety of trading tools. The AI feature analyzes the chart real time to provide custom analysis and strategies reports, including trade ideas and signals. Note that you can only get a total of 5 reports daily if your balance is below $20 and up to 15 reports if your balance is $20 in your real account. Now, this trading signal and trade ideas provided by this AI assistant is only to assist you in your trading journey, as this AI assistant uses historical data, and we know that historical data is not a good measurement of future performance. And then Forex trading is still risky regardless. You can set up price alerts as well as see economic calendar related to the asset you open, then the market trading hours and asset specifications. You can also activate one-tap trading if you wish. To ensure that your trading app is safe, they provide secure login procedures which include Face or Touch ID and passcode, and then email confirmation for sensitive information change. You can trade over 550 instruments on the app, including Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, indices, and stocks. They also have their VIP analytics, which can only be available to you if you make a total deposit of up to $500. One good thing about FBS customer support is that they are available 24 hours, 7 days right on the app. And then for better understanding of their policies, you can go through their legal documents. Now to the app that has the trading view chart and the inbuilt MetaTrader 5 chart, which is the Justmarkets Trading App. Now stick around because I'll be showing you how to switch between the trading view chart and the MetaTrader 5 chart on the Justmarkets app so you can start trading. As for regulation, Justmarkets is regulated by 5 regulators including SISEC, and they hold all their client funds in a separate bank account, and you are also sure that your account is protected from negative balance. On the Justmarkets app, you can open MT5 account or the MT4 account. If you wish to open the MT5 accounts, then you can open the standard account with minimum deposit of $10 and spreads from 0.3 pips, then the pro account and the raw spread account with minimum deposit of $200 with narrow spreads from 0.1 pips on the pro account, and then raw spreads from 0 pip with commission from $3 per lot per side on the raw account. But to open an MT4 account, apart from the standard pro and raw spread account, you can also open the standard cent account with a minimum deposit of $10 and spreads from 0.3 pips, but you can only trade Forex and commodities on this account. The standard cent account is best for beginners who are just starting out and are just testing the market. As you can see, the maximum leverage on all accounts is 1:3,000, but their stop out is 20% with margin call of 40%, and they also have the swap free option. As for payment methods, it ranges through card payments, e-wallets, local bank transfers for Malaysian traders, mobile money, and crypto payment methods. Talking about their charts, we have been looking at the trading view chart so far, so let's look at the Justmarkets built-in MetaTrader 5 charts. To trade with their MT5 charts, first select the MT5 terminal. Make sure you have your MT5 password. If you have not created one, go to Accounts and click on More. Click on Account Settings and click on Change Trading Password. Create your password and make sure it is something you can remember. Click on Confirm, after which you will type in the code sent to your email address and continue. Now that your password has been set, go to Market and select an asset. You will still be seeing the trading view chart because you are yet to log in to the MT5 platform. Now click on Trade. This is where you will input that MT5 password. Your login and server details are already there. Now click on Connect to Account and you have successfully logged into the MT5 platform from the Justmarkets app. That password you just created plus the server and login details will all be used to log into the MT5 platform both on web, on desktop, and even on the mobile. That is if you have any reason to use the MT5 mobile app. So with the Justmarkets mobile app, you can be switching between the trading view chart and the MetaTrader 5 charts. The MT5 chart has features like 4 chart types, volumes, 9 time frames, indicators, and you can customize how your chart looks like when you go to settings. You can also activate one-click trading. You also have access to MQL5 where you will see their programs markets, trading signals mostly for algorithmic trading, then VPS that you have to subscribe to, and even freelance job offers for developers and others, as well as news, trading forums, articles, and other functions. Then you can check out their economic calendar, but you will need to download a news app. You can also change the MT5 display language, and you can contact MT5 customer support. Whenever you leave the MT5 chart, you will need to log in again. Now let's get out of MT5 charts. Justmarkets app has its inside section that is made up of economic news and events. You can trade metals, cryptocurrencies, Forex, including major, minor, and exotic pairs, then indices, stocks, and commodities. Then you can download their copy trading app from App or Google Play Store, and you can check their support hub with FAQs, or you have a live chat with their customer support. You can also change the app language. And as for security, the app has passcode and biometrics login as well. Octa is another broker that has its AI-powered mobile app, and on the app, you can trade using the MT5 chart. Now, I will show you how to switch between the Octa chart and the MT5 chart. Although Octa provides its services to Malaysian clients through its Comoros entity, Octa is regulated by a top-tier regulator, which is SISEC. They also segregate their client funds from their own funds, and they do not charge swap fees. Octa gives you 3 account options, which are MT5, Octa Trader, and the MT4 account. With the MT5 account, you can trade 230 instruments like Forex, indices, metals, energies, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, with margin call of 25% and stop out of 15%. The MT4 account has the same margin call and stop out level with 74 instruments excluding stocks. While on the Octa Trader account, you can trade 80 instruments excluding stocks as well. On all the accounts, spreads are from 0.6 pips with minimum deposit of $25 and a maximum leverage of 1:1000. Octa does not provide account types in Malaysian ringgit, but you can make deposits and withdrawals in Malaysian ringgit using online banking and instant bank transfers with minimum deposit of 100 Malaysian ringgit. The Octa chart has 7 time frames, no weekly and monthly time frames, but their drawing tools are over 10, and you can turn on and turn off the one-touch trading feature. Plus, you can also save your current chart to open it later. Then you can set price alerts and see the overview of the market, where you have market performance in different time frames with market sentiment. Then they have the economic calendar for asset-specific events, then market information. Their indicators are over 15, and apart from that, they have an AI-powered chart pattern indicator or identifier that identifies the current market chart pattern in different time frames, and these patterns can be copied to your charts. Even Octa stated in clear terms that this is a thought starter, not a trading advice. Use it with caution. Consider the accuracy and your risk. If you do not understand all there is to know about chart patterns, then this is not a tool that is recommended for you. The space section also has feed that shows market analysis as well on different instruments. Once again, this is not a trading advice. Then there is trading education that is mostly about chart patterns and risk management. So if you do not have enough knowledge on chart patterns, you can go through these educational resources first. Then there is also channels that is like a trading community where you get to follow different analysts and insights. You can also see the overall economic calendar. They also have webinars and profit calculator. Their customer support can also respond to you via the app. To trade with your MT5 account on the app through the MT5 platform, first make sure that you have opened the MT5 account. Then go to Settings, click on Default Trading App. Now, if you want to trade with MT5 account using the MT5 platform, you can click on MT5. But since we want to trade using the MT5 chart on the Octa Trader app, let's click on Octa. Now go to Dashboard and make sure that you have switched to the MT5 account. Click on Trade. Immediately you have opened an MT5 account with Octa, Octa will send the password to your email. Now it is advisable for you to change that password for security reasons. Since you have your password, that password will be needed to log into the MT5 platform. After you have imputed your password, click on Connect your account, just the way we did with Justmarkets, after which you will gain access to the MT5 chart. But for MT4, you will be trading with the Octa charts. To go into copy trading, you will need to download the Octa copy trading app. Then you can go through their legal documents as well. One thing about Octa that is not a good news is that they do not have the biometrics or the passcode login and even two-factor authentication. So you may need to consider this lack of security before choosing to trade with them despite their unique features. The next app is XM. XM is operating in Malaysia under the umbrella of the Trading Point of Financial Instruments Limited, which is regulated by SISEC. Their app also have an AI feature where you can ask AI any question concerning an asset and concerning the economics of a nation that affects the asset. Let's dive right into the details. They generally have 3 account types, which include the standard account with spreads from 1.6 pips but no swap free option, then the ultra low account with spreads from 0.8 pips and swap free option. Both accounts have a minimum deposit of $5 with stop out of 20% and leverage of 1:1000. Then if you want to trade shares, you can do that with their shares account that has leverage of 1:1, stop out of 0% with swap free benefits, commission charge and a minimum deposit of $10,000. XM does not offer an account in Malaysian ringgit, but payments can be made via credit and debit cards, online banking and e-wallets, both in Malaysian ringgit and in other currencies. Their chart is TradingView integrated, and to get a better view of the chart, you have to view it in landscape mode. That way, you can see all its tools, including drawing tools, time frames, chart types, indicators, and you can activate one-click trading too if you wish. Let's go back to portrait mode. Over here, you can set price alerts, you can see asset information, and you can ask AI any question concerning the asset you want to trade. You can see examples of those questions right here. Their news and analysis are from Reuters, and here is the market insights with technical score. At the Explore section, you get to see the market overview. Then there is the XM community where you get to see the trade ideas and analysis of different traders and interact with them. You can trade Forex, stock CFDs, turbo stocks, equity indices, thematic indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Right on the app, you can copy trade without having to install another app. There is economic calendar also, as well as Trading Central that has market buzz, feature ideas and insights. Then they have trading calculators and other features. Not to forget their educational resources, and then their customer support and FAQs. One good thing about XM app is that you can switch between languages easily, and the app has secured login with multi-factor authentication. You can also go through their legal documents. So these are the apps that actually stand out for Malaysian traders, each with its own unique features. There is actually no perfect app out there. What matters is finding one that fits your trading goals. And no matter what your goal might be, always do due diligence. And I will always advise you to use demo accounts to first test an app and the broker, because while you test the app, you get to know if what these brokers say they offer are actually what they offer, which will help you to make your conclusion as to whether or not these brokers or these trading apps are worth your time. Now, I'm not here to tell you what app to use or what app not to use, but I'm here to make sure you understand what you need to know before you actually get to make your choice. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment of your experience or your questions. Visit our website also on safeforexbrokers.com/my and then subscribe to this channel as well. Before you go, click on the video on the screen right now. Until I come your way again, happy trading.